Silicon Valley, situated in California at the western coast of USA, is known as the center of computer and electronics, as well as of the digital economy and the internet. The Silicon Valley is roughly bound with San Francisco in the north, the Diablo Range in the east, and the Santa Cruz Mountain in the west.
The credit for developing Silicon Valley, the great center of computer and electronic industries, goes to Frederick E. Terman, and he was an electronic engineer and administrator. After doing his PhD, he joined the Stanford University in California as the head of electronic engineering department.
In 1951, he spread the creation of Stanford Industry, later on renamed as Research Park, where university land was given high-down or downtown leases. So, large number of high technology firms like Eastman Kodak Company, the General Electrical Company, Hewlett Packard, Honeywell Corporation, and etc. established the centers at the Stanford Research Park, and they soon turned Stanford Research Park into America's high premier manufacturing region.
In 1980s and 1990s, landscape of Silicon Valley changed when the emphasis shifted from semiconductors to manufacture of personal computers and computer software, and then to internet-based business.
Silicon Valley has created more than 230,000 jobs and accounted about 40% of California's export trade. Thank you.
Ronnie, we have learned a lot about IT. What do you think? IT has advantages and disadvantages in our life.
Yeah, I know some points about IT advantages in business. It improves financial management, it improves storage of data, it improves the relationship between the consumer and the seller.
What about you? I know the advantages and the disadvantages of IT in education. The advantages are IT has made data and study material accessible anywhere in the world. If you are at home, in a school, in a car, anywhere. We made this presentation also using IT. But the disadvantages are there are really less publications found online, and students are too much dependent on IT and have become inactive and not innovative.
I know some of my friends who knows about IT advantages and disadvantages in purchasing and society. About the
Disadvantages of IT in business: implementation expenses, job elimination, and security breaches. Advantages of IT in purchasing: credit cards and smart cards, electronic bill payment and presentation. Disadvantages of IT in purchasing: internet security issues, privacy, and faulty product certification. Advantages of IT in society: improve innovation, improve social discovery, improve entertainment. Disadvantages of IT in society: online threats, online addiction, cyber sickness. Thank you.
Ronnie, we have learned a lot about IT. Let's see how much the audience understood.
Who's going to ask the questions then?
Here are my friends Praneet and Manoj to ask the questions.
The rules for this quiz are please raise your hands and answer and no for this answer. What is the full form of HB? Elvis Pekka. Yes, correct. Who is the CEO of Wipro? Yes, correct. Which city in India is Silicon Valley? Bangalore. Yes, correct.
How many countries is Wipro present in?
67.
CEO of HP. Full form of Wipro. Who made Silicon Valley hub of IT companies? Answer: Frederick E. Terman.
Friends, now we know that IT is the backbone of our generation. Without IT, even the metal steel industries need the help of IT companies to make their machines. Thank you.